Welcome to MGT-130 Project Management. This is a brief course overview video. In order to get started, review all the information within the introduction content area, such as announcements, start here, professor information, and the syllabus and schedule. Make sure to immediately contact me if you have any questions about the syllabus or schedule. Next, under course content, you want to click on the weekly modules to begin. Module 1 covers Chapter 1, Modern Project Management, and Chapter 2, Organization, Strategy, and Project Selection. Each module will follow the same structure. We begin with the learning objectives. For the assignments this week, you will complete the course participation, the Chapter 1 Smart Book, the Individual Assignment Project Selection, the Chapter 2 Smart Book, the Individual Assignment SWOT Analysis, and the Microsoft Project Exercise Install Application. And the final assignment for this week will be the Chapter 1 quiz. Next, we have the instructional content, which contains the Chapter 1 reading, the Chapter 1 video, the Chapter 1 PowerPoint presentation, the Chapter 2 reading, and the Chapter 2 PowerPoint presentation. Next, we have the course participation introductions. It's just a discussion board. Just provide some information about yourself. Only share what you're comfortable with sharing. Next, we have the Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 Smart Book assignments. Next, we have the Individual Assignment Project Selection. Keep in mind, this course is project management, meaning that we are focusing on planning a project. You're not going to actually complete this project, okay? You'll be planning out this project. So pick a project that you're interested in, maybe completed within the next 5 years. It has to have a budget over $5,000 to kind of have some meat to it. Just ensure that you review all the information about the assignment. And if you're having trouble with picking out a project, always feel free to reach out to your instructor. Next, we have the individual assignment SWOT analysis. So obviously, after you pick the project, you want to make sure that it's a good project to actually focus on this semester. So that's why you're going to be performing a SWOT analysis on that. So of course, SWOT is your, looking at the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats that may ensure that it's a great project, or you may want to choose a different project after performing this SWOT analysis. Next, we have the Microsoft Project Exercise Install Application. All you are is simply installing the application. Now, if you are using a Mac, you will not be able to install Microsoft Project on your Mac. You will have to use what's called VDI, Virtual Desktop Infrastructure. I have the information within the assignment details. If you have any problems with that, you can always contact the help desk at 569-1234. And also, even if you're using a Windows-based laptop or desktop and you're having trouble installing project, of course, feel free to call the help desk at 569-1234. And lastly, we have the Chapter 1 quiz for this week. If you look to the left-hand side of the Blackboard menu, under course content, not only do you have weekly modules, which we just went through, you have a smart book, discussion board, and quizzes content area as well. These are just quick links to the assignments. You still should at least once a week go through the weekly module for that week. After that, you can use the quick links, like I said, the smart book, discussion board, or the quizzes. Next, we have the resources. We have group collaboration tools. Here in a few weeks, you'll be put in groups and you'll be working on a group project. So you're going to make sure to utilize these tools. Next, we have the PowerPoint presentations. Then again, it's just a quick link to the presentations. These are also within the weekly modules and student resources. Finally, we have the grades and tools. If you ever are curious how you're doing within the course, you can click on My Grades. And if you want to access the course tools, just simply click on Tools. That concludes the overview video. I hope everyone has a great semester.